I would say if you've had a negative experience, please try again. I've had a negative experience. I've gone to a number of therapists. Like now I've kind of chosen the therapist that I really feel comfortable with. But I think if you've had a negative experience, I suppose don't think that we're all like that, because we're not all like that. There can be reasons why you've had a negative experience. You might feel like you were judged going in. You mightn't have liked the way they spoke to you, or the approach that they used, or and like, you're very vulnerable going in, so it can be natural to have a reaction like that. It could be sometimes that you weren't ready in that moment, but you might be ready 6 months later. But I would try somebody else. And I know this sounds a bit fickle, like, if you don't like your hairdresser, go to another one, like, vote with your feet. Well, I kind of think the same with a therapist. But what I would say with a therapist, it's different to a hairdresser. With the hairdresser, you're just not going to go back if they give you a horrible haircut. With a therapist, because you're vulnerable, you're very kind of sensitive to what's going on in those first few sessions, and you might kind of, project what's going on for you, or think, oh, I don't know if I like this person, because of what's going on within yourself at times. And so, I would maybe try it at least 2 or 3 times. But obviously, if you have a really negative experience the first time and you're kind of like, no, I really don't want to go back there, my body, my gut instinct is saying no, then don't go back and just try with someone else. And that's totally fine, because just as you choose your best friends in life and your friends, and just as you go into work and you like some people and you don't like other people as much, it's all about energies with people, and with, like, do I click with them? Do I like, does their body language sync up with me? Do I feel warmth with them? Do I feel like I can tell them, what's really going on? And if you don't, then try one more time. And if you still don't, then try with someone else. But if it's a really negative experience where you felt unsafe, then I would say don't go to them again. And if you need to make a complaint, you are well within your rights to do that as well.